Well, guys, I season my turkey. It has all the spices that I usually use every year. And I added some wine like I always do. I'll show you what type of wine do I add to it. Hold on. This is the wine that I add every year. I have this bottle since that day. So every year is for the turkey. I added a cup of that with some garlic, oregano, adobo, sazon, a little bit of olive oil, and it's the best turkey ever. And you cook it in the bag, and then your turkey won't be dry. When it's done, you preserve the juices of the turkey. You use some for your stuffing and use some for your rice, and I'm telling you guys, it's the best. And those little holes that you see there, I made holes through the whole turkey and I stuffed them with butter. And it'll be nice and juicy. And also it has seasoning in every hole. Well, guys, if I don't see you by then, happy Thanksgiving. Hey, guys.